Alright, this is part 2 of a severe thunderstorm. Same date, same time, approximate. Oh, holy crap! Okay. Hey, Janine! I felt that one.
Yeah, be careful.
Did you hear?
I did.
Whew. Scared me? Alright. Do you think it's safe to actually be out here?
What, buddy?
You think it's safe to actually be out here?
Did you get under the porch?
Well, I'll be under the porch. It's starting to rain anyway. Sorry about that, people, but a lightning bolt just hit a tree, or I think it hit a power line or something. I don't know if you heard that little zzz, but it hit something, and I could feel the electricity. So, you know, love videotaping thunderstorms, but, you know, risking my life for you guys. Entertainment, that's just my duty. You know that. Here comes the rain. And here it comes. Jesus. It scared the crap out of me. up, hurry up, hurry up. Come on, come on, come on.